Hello everyone. Today we are going to make steamed millet rice. I usually get a lot of queries from my patients that when they try to cook millet rice, it becomes sticky and then they don't like to have it with their dals or in form of pulao or biryani or anything. So today I'm going to show you how it is to be done so that it stays separated and you can enjoy your millet rice and you can replace them and use them in place of rice. I'm using foxtail millet. This is the foxtail millet. It is yellow in color like you can see. The grain size is big as compared to other millets such as barnyard millet or kodo millet. I'm using unpolished foxtail millet. It is very important to use unpolished millets. You can see that each and every grain has a black dot intact on the grain, and that is the identity of an unpolished millet. Like we do for any other dals or pulses or any other grain, we will wash it for 2 to 3 times. We will drain the water and then soak it for 6 to 8 hours. I have washed the millet 3 times. You can see some yellowish color still being there. That is because the seed coat of the millet is very tightly attached to the grain, especially in an unpolished millet. The color comes because of the seed coat. So don't worry, these are not the impurities. This is basically the seed coat color coming off when you're washing it. Now I have, like you can see, the millet has been soaked for 6 hours. And this is how it looks. It doesn't swell up or it doesn't increase in size as much as we see with rice or with our dals, that they usually increase in size after soaking for so many hours. So millet will not increase in size so much as compared to the other grains. Before we cook it, we will add a little salt. I will add a little bit of ghee to this. Now take some water in the pressure cooker. You can keep a stand or you can keep it without it. Transfer the millet into steel bowl. Use as much of millet you have used, use same amount of water. If you're using 1 cup millet, use 1 cup of water. Put it in the cooker, close the lid. Make sure you do not put the whistle on top. It has to be steamed. It does not have to be pressure cooked. You can cover the millet vessel as well. We will steam the rice for around 15 to 20 minutes. Check after 20 minutes. Once the steam comes off, you will be able to know that the millet rice is ready. I have steamed it for around 20 minutes. Like you can see, it is nicely done. Switch off the gas and we'll let the millet be some more time inside the pressure cooker, inside that steam, so that it becomes even more fluffier. And I've let it be for another 5 minutes and I'm fluffing it with the fork, and you can see that each grain is nicely done. It is nice and separated. Transfer it into your plate. You can decorate it. You can use the rice in making pulao or you can use it for making biryani. I am today enjoying this millet rice with a bowl of Thai curry. You can replace your rice with this millet or any other millet for that matter. The method remains the same. Remember to wash it well, soak it well and steam it. Try this method and let me know your experience in the comments.